Hi, my name is Caitlin, and I am one of your classmates for the semester. And what I have pulled up here is a Google search of the Valley of Fire, which is where I'm going to get married in just 3 days. So please bear with me this week as it's going to be a little bit hectic. If I'm a little delayed on your responses, I apologize. So, like I said, I am getting married in just 3 days, or meowied. I'm very excited, but very busy at the same time. A little bit more about myself is that I have two cats. This is Roxy and my Siamese Rocco, who are always on top of the keyboard, so I apologize if they type you any messages during the semester. I also love hiking and I love fall, and I figured this picture is perfect to summarize both. And I also love to travel. And from my recent travel this summer, here is a picture from Kauai in Hawaii and a picture from Oahu. As for my education background, I had originally pursued a degree an associate's in birth through second grade. And as I completed that, I had realized that I had wanted to continue forward. So I transferred to SUNY New Paltz. And I actually am certified now with birth through sixth grade, which was a dual certification offered through the school, which was wonderful for me. So it gives me a lot of options because I'm still a little unsure on what is my ideal grade. Before that, I was a gymnastics coach for several years, and I was a competitive gymnast growing up. And this gave me a really good experience to work with children outside of the traditional classroom. It gave me a lot of classroom management skills, behavior issues, just very hands-on experience, which was perfect for what I needed at that time in my life. I am currently a substitute teacher, which is why I find myself a lot of times looking on OLAS for jobs. And I'm currently looking in the Hudson Valley area, so that's what's highlighted right here. I'm looking for any openings, any long-term sub-leaves, anything that I can get my hands onto. It's great. This website has everything here that you need to look at in all the districts in one place. And here you'll find some pictures of the Hudson Valley. It's a very rural area, so jobs are, far and few in between at the moment. A lot of the schools, that I've worked in are absorbing positions as enrollment is declining pretty rapidly. So right now I'm trying to focus on my master's, focus on getting the experience in the classroom, and hope to someday get my own. I think that's everything, and I hope and look forward to working with you all this semester.